Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoTo Meeting account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you invite others or participants into your GoTo Meeting? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to invite other participants into your GoTo Meeting anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing online webinar, you know that sometimes you have to invite in another business owner or other participants. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoTo account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoTo Meeting, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to invite other participants into a webinar, there's a couple of different ways you can do this. The first and easiest way is if it's a scheduled meeting, you're going to click on meetings here on the left side. And then down here at the bottom, you're going to see all of the different meetings you have scheduled. You can see I have this one, and just click on the meeting that you want to invite another participant to. So for example, this one, once you click there, it's going to give you the share feature right here, copy. All you're going to do is just copy that to your clipboard. Now it says copy. Now you can go ahead and paste it into an email or a text message or however you are communicating with your client. So that's if it is an existing webinar that you have scheduled. Now, if you're just starting a webinar or a meeting, you can go right here and click to instant meeting. Okay, once you go into instant meeting, it's going to open up a meeting immediately. And to share this meeting immediately with another participant, click on this little eye on the top left. Once you do that, you can go ahead and copy the link. And same thing, you can go ahead and email that over to the new participant. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to invite another participant into your GoTo Meeting webinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.